Hello, today I'll be going over the difference between overloading and overriding in Java. These two concepts are very important to understand when coding, but can be easily mixed up. Here on the screen, I have sample code that shows the difference between overloading and overriding using animal classes. First of all, overriding is just when there are two methods with the same name in the same class, like these two speaks, but with different parameters. Depending on if you call this speak class with a string argument or no arguments at all, you're going to get different lines when you run this. Overriding, on the other hand, is when a child class has the same name as a method in its parent class. For example, this dog class extends animal class but also has its own move method. Down here are some overloading and overriding examples. Here, object A is an animal class, and when a.speak is called without an argument, it will print generic sound. And when a.speak is called with an argument happy, it will print sound when happy when run. For overriding, we have two objects, a dog object and an animal object. When the dog object calls move, it will print dog runs on 4 legs, since it has its own move method in its class. When the animal object calls move, it will print animal moves in some way, since it's an animal object and not a dog object. And that's all for this pretty short explanation on the difference between overriding and overloading. Thank you for watching.